In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages between Canva files. If you're working on multiple projects and need to transfer designs between them, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to open the Canva file that contains the pages you want to copy. So head over to Canva and select the specific file that you want to work with. It's important to have the right file open because this is where we'll start our page transfer process. Next, to make your work a bit easier, you'll want to change the view of your document. Look for the grid icon, typically located on the top toolbar. By clicking this icon, you're switching your document view to the grid mode. This particular view will give you an overview of all the pages in your file, making it easier to select multiple pages at once. Now with your document in grid view, it's time to select the pages you want to copy, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then simply click on each page you want to transfer to another file. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple pages efficiently and avoids any accidental deselections. Once you have all the desired pages selected, it's time to copy them. To do this, you'll use a simple keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C. This command will copy all the selected pages and hold them on your clipboard until you're ready to paste them into their new location. It's a good practice to double check that you've copied the correct pages before moving on to ensure nothing is left behind. The next step involves opening the Canva file where you plan to paste the copied pages. Navigate to your Canva dashboard or use the search function to locate the new design file. Open it up and get ready to place your copied content into this new environment. Now with your destination file open, you're ready to paste the pages. Click anywhere in the grid view of your new file and use the Ctrl+V shortcut. Your copied pages will be inserted into this design. This ease of transferring pages between files makes managing your designs much more streamlined and efficient. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly move pages between Canva files. This method is particularly handy whenever you're juggling multiple design projects or collaborating with a team. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.